来冰箱可以。
We don't throw things in the bin.
连很美的嘞，脸很美嘞。
Okay guys, before I start the chit-chat session, parents having a baby stroller or pram walking along the boardwalks, try to be careful. Over here we got a lot of wild macaques. Wild monkeys are not belong to us. Okay, these monkeys will take anything they can grab on. Baby, diaper, tissue paper, handbag, even your handphone. So over here the monkey is quite high-tech, yeah? Once the monkey grab it, if he cannot receive it back, it's kind of a donation to the wild. And also if you see any wild macaques, do not come closer to them to take close-up picture. I know it's going to lunchtime, just bear with me 10 to 15 minutes, yeah? It's a very short teacher session. It's not a circus trick or magic trick over here. It's a very short, simple introduction of the elephant over here. Once again, how are you guys feeling today? Okay, slightly much more better. Okay guys, welcome to Elephant of Asia at Singapore Zoo. My name is Shari, with my fellow colleague, we got Rama, Ahmad and Albert. Okay, over here, this will be Intan half sisters. Her name is Aprila. Okay, both of them were born in the same year, just a month apart, and they are 30 years old. Okay, for the Sumatran elephant, they are critical endangered. Left few thousand in the wild, from 2005 to 2008 of them. So you guys are lucky to see them under our care over here. For Aprila over here, she quite a mischievous one, a naughty elephant, because she like to disturb other elephant, and also she like to steal fruit from other elephant. Because she's a very smart girl, she take an easy way. Okay, if the thing is so hard for her, okay, if you got any keepers or volunteer, she be the chosen elephant to introduce you guys. And Gabi over there, she's almost 35. Okay, why I say so, she came here when she was a young cow from our waist side. So she's very close to humans. That is Gabi, but Gabi always been bullied by Aprila. House sisters that in Intan, any danger, they will be the first one to receive the low frequency, right? Okay, the next segment will be the lying down segment. Why we need this elephant to lie. And she will bring herself up again and will be complete the other side of her body. For Gambi over here, she like more deeper water right in front of you guys over here. Okay, you can see she's very slow. She take her own sweet time right now. Come on, Gabi, people are waiting for you. Okay, later on you can see Gabi when we sing, alright? You can just see her like a ship of rock, like an island later on. Okay, you can see Gabi getting ready to lie down, much more deeper water right in front of you guys over here. Slow and steady. Get a bit more, Gambi. There she go. Give me a round of applause to Gambi over here. Thank you. That's when numbers of older elephants, when they lose their molar teeth, they cannot chew any solid food. But under the human care, we can supplement them with a softer food to prolong the years. Okay, later on, you also can see the elephant tongue. The elephant tongue actually can weigh up to 10 kilos just for the tongue itself. For the elephant, they got 4 sets of these size big ring inside the mouth. You can see right all the way inside, much more yellowish white color. That is the molar teeth, right? Okay, with this molar teeth, they can crack open a coconut also. Okay, if you go other part of Asia, if people ask you to feed on their mouth, try to not do that because elephant jaw are quite powerful, right? Okay, you think these both elephants doing a great job for you guys by doing the training over here? What we need to give for them? Applause. or a reward? Reward, yes. Okay guys, this elephant love to eat this one particular food. It's a king of the food of Asia. And you guys know? Durian, yes. This elephant would love to eat durian. Okay, they will fight for each other for this durian. And if we are doing a training, they will work wonders for us. It will help us a lot when we're doing a training because this elephant love to eat durian. Okay, let us see how this elephant eat their whole entire durian and coconut. Okay, later on you can see how this elephant grab their food and put everything inside their mouth. With one powerful bite and the food will break it open, right? Okay guys, Gambe a very clever way she cook. You know her by using her weight and her feet to break it open.
Yeah, ஒளிஞ்சிருக்கும் மேலே இருக்கிறத எல்லாரும்
Ananda, Ananda. Không mình để kệ này.
More